So according to that book, the octopus is here.
Yes.
Hey, who are you?
It's me, Japan, Australia.
What happened to you? You look very different.
And Australia. I am Turkey.
What happened to both of you?
Whole world is changed now. I'm still confused. How you don't know? What's happening?
I should reveal my secret, actually.
We don't have time to know your story, Australia. We have more work to do.
We are here to find a creature.
A creature?
Actually, he is like an octopus and can control sea.
Actually?
I said just shut up. We have to find the creature. We don't have time to hear your story.
Yes, we are not interested to know. That how you don't know what's happening in the world.
Okay, fine.
Let's go Japan.
Yes, let's find the creature.
One day later.
I am tired of finding a bloody octopus.
That book said that octopus is in Australia.
Hey, guy.
Just shut up, Australia.
Let him say Ottoman Empire. We are tired a lot. Let him complete his story. We will rest till then.
Okay, fine. Say what you want to say, Australia.
I know where that entity is.
Are you stupid, Australia? When we were talking about that octopus, why didn't you tell us this that time?
I tried to, but you don't want to listen to the story.
Yes, it's your fault, Ottoman Empire.
Hey, you were with me too.
Whatever. So what you know about the creature?
So if you want to listen then, listen carefully.
Shout out to